YouTuber.
You're my favorite lion.
You just ruined this whole thing. You're gonna ruin your lungs.
No, it's vaping, not smoking.
It's the same thing.
It's just as bad. I'm worried about you.
I know. I don't want you to die.
I don't want you to die. You seem very nice.
You seem nice.
And someone said YouTube. I actually do have a YouTube channel. It's there.
Okay, well, let's click on it. Yeah, okay, I'll screenshot it.
Okay, then I have 51 subs.
Yay!
Hey.
Oh my god. I'm just gonna tell him.
Why did you say
Oh my
queen?
god, can you see that?
Why are you laughing? No, I will not fuck you gently with a chainsaw.
Oh my god.
And people are going to see this on YouTube as well.
Oh, it's not a YouTube. Like, look.
Oh no, I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. There's my channel there.
YouTube. It's a YouTube. Oh my god.
Like, I'm really small on YouTube, but hopefully I'll get like if I put the title as "Fuck Me Gently with a Chainsaw," I'll get some views.
Okay.
Like a couple of minutes ago, there was a bunch of 12-year-old kids that were like, "Oh my god, you're going to die! Stop smoking!" And it was so fucking cute. They were so cute.
Ah! No, like, look.
Is that your boyfriend on FaceTime or something? Oh, hey.
I don't know if you.
Anyway, if you go to that channel, there'll be a video up in about 7 or 8 hours and you'll be on it. Just like leave a comment or some shit and I'll reply to you.
Wait, like. Title of the video.
Do you want me to call it "Fuck Me Gently with a Chainsaw"? Okay, yeah, I'll call it that for you then, okay?
Okay.
Right, I'll see you in the comment section. Just like go to that channel now and save it to your favorites, and it'll be up tomorrow or in like 8 hours when I'm done editing. Alright, bye. Oh, hey.
Yo.
Nice background.
Yeah.
You've put your bed sheet on your wall. Hey. What the hell are you listening to?
Do what?
What is that in your hand?
It's a beer.
Oh, right. Where are you from?
Australia.
Yeah, you have a very strange accent.
Wow.
Down it, down it, down it. Great. Now now people that you don't know will see your drinking habit on my YouTube video.
That's okay. I don't care.